Hello class 7, welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 13.1 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before starting the exercise, here are some points to remember. Question number 5. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. First part 648. First of all, we have to do prime factorization of 648. Now, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now 1, 6 and 2, 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. Now 648 is equal to 1 2 3. 2 will be 3 times and 3 4 times. Now how many times 2? 1 2 3. So 2 power is 3 and 3 power is 1 2 3 4. Answer. Second part 405. So first step is we have to do prime factorization of 405. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 1s are 5. So 405 is equal to 1 2 3 4. 3 will be 4 times and 5. Now we have to write down it in power. So 3 1 2 3 4 raised to the power of 4 and 5. Answer. Third part 540. So the first step is we have to do prime factorization of 540. So this is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, now 0. 2, 1, 3 and 5. Now again 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now 3 5s are 15. Now 5 1s are 5. So 540 is equal to 1 2, 2 times 2, 3, 1 2 3 times. And last one is 5. So in power form 2 raised to the power of 2, 3 raised to the power of 3 and 5. Answer. Fourth part 3600. So prime factorization of 3600. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 0 0. 2 9s are 18, 0 0. 240, 4 5 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. 75 is divisible by 3 also. 3 2s are 6, 15. Now 5 5s are 25. Last one is 5 1s are 5. Now 3600 is equal to 1 2 3 4 times 2 and 3 1 2 and 5 2 times. 1 2 3 4. 2 raised to the power of 4, 3 raised to the power of 2 because 2 times and 5 raised to the power of 2. Answer. Question number 6, simplify. The first part is 2 into 10 raised to the power of 3. Now 2 into 10 3 times. Here 2 multiply with 10 10 10. It means 1000. After multiplying these two numbers we got 2000. Answer. Second part, 7 raised to the power of 2 and 2 raised to the power of 2. 7 2 times, 2 2 times. After multiplying these numbers, we got here 196. Answer. Third part, 2 raised to the power of 3 and 5. Here, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times and 5. After multiplying these all numbers, we got 40. Answer. Fourth part, 3 into 4 raised to the power of 4. So 3 only one time here. Now 4 will be written 4 times. After multiplying, we got here 768. 768 answer. Fifth part, 0 into 10 raised to the power of 2. So 0 into 10 into 10, and we know the rule. If we multiply any number with 0, we get 0. Answer. Sixth part, 5 raised to the power of 2 and 3 raised to the power of 3. So 5 2 times and 3 3 times. After multiplying these numbers, we get here 675. Answer. Seventh part, 2 raised to the power of 4 and 3 raised to the power of 2. So 2 4 times and 3 2 times. After multiplying, we get 141. Answer. Eighth part, 3 raised to the power of 2 and 10 raised to the power of 4. Now 3 2 times and 10 4 times. After multiplying these numbers, we get here second part. Answer. Question number 7, simplified. First part, minus 4 raised to the power of 3. So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Now 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now we have to check it will be negative or positive. So minus minus plus. Now this is minus. Answer. Minus 3 into minus 2 raised to the power of 3. So minus 3 into minus 2 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. After multiplying all these numbers, we get 24. So now minus minus cancel out and minus minus cancel out. We can say that minus and minus plus, minus and minus plus also. Third part, minus 3 raised to the power of 2 into minus 5 raised to the power of 2. Now minus 3 into minus 3 and minus 5 into minus 5. After multiplying, we get 225. Minus minus cancel out, minus minus cancel out, or minus and minus plus, minus and minus plus. When we multiply 2 minus, we get positive answer. Fourth part, minus 2 raised to the power of 3 into minus 10 raised to the power of 3. So minus 2 3 times, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. We have to put in brackets into minus 10 3 times. Minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. So after multiplying, we get here 2 to the 4 to the 8 and 1 2 3 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have minus 6 times and this is even number. So answer will be in positive. Or minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, or minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel. Question number 8, compare the following numbers. The first part is 2.7 into 10 raised to the power of 12 and second number is 1.5 into 10 raised to the power of 8. So before doing this question, we have to understand the concept of number of zeros. So here 10 raised to the power of 12, it means 10 will be multiplied 12 times and here 10 raised to the power of 8, and 10 will be multiplied 8 times only. So here 10 raised to the power of 12 and 10 raised to the power of 8. So which is greater? This 12 is greater. So 10 raised to the power of 12 is greater than 10 raised to the power of 8. Now 2.7 into 10 raised to the power of 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 raised to the power of 8. So here we have to check how many times the number of tens are coming. Second part, 4 into 10 raised to the power of 14, and second number is 3 into 10 raised to the power of 17. So here 10 raised to the power of 14 and 10 raised to the power of 17. So 10 will be multiplied 10 times and here 10 will be multiplied 17 times. So this number is greater. It means 4 into 10 raised to the power of 14 is less than 3 into 10 raised to the power of 17. Answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.